Oh, the soccer field down there.
Howdy.
Looks neat.
This is what Taylor wants.
You just stuck his nose at the bridge and he's gonna go back down. And back down. Oh, maybe it feels good. I think it feels hot. He's trying to get comfortable.
Look at those paws.
Look at those muscles.
Look at the paws.
Look at those paws. No, I mean the husky will really scratch you up bad. Oh, could wipe out an arm, right? Break an arm in one swing.
I say that because one of the monkeys scared the other monkey.
非法猎肉。
They're pretty agile. Okay. The baboon's doing something active. Trying to find the perfect leaf to eat.
Oh my god, there's a whole family. Oh, this looks hot. Oh, it's actually thin.